Hello, this video is about Disability Confident. It's a scheme where employers aim to get more disabled people into the workplace. It's a very good initiative, it's not a criticism. However, it's not M.E-appropriate for a couple of reasons. Yes, a lot of disabled people can overcome their disabilities. They are able to work with adjustments, with flexible working hours. But with ME, only 25% of patients with a mild level of severity are able to work. I will attach a link to the ME Association's disability scale to this video so you see what I mean. It's only those people with 30% disability or below that are able to work. My issue with Disability Confident is it's part of the Department of Work and Pensions. The DWP funded a research project to get as many ME patients back to work as possible because we do have a large economic burden. It's £3.3 billion and that's a 2015 statistic. It is going to be worse than that now. However, since then, hundreds of scientists worldwide have said that the research study the DWP funded or part funded is actually harming patients. Patients cannot exercise, cannot do activity. That activity includes working. So when the Department of Work and Pensions are saying through our Disability Confidence scheme, you can get disabled people back to work, they need to put a little caveat on that saying, however, with invisible disabilities such as ME, CFS, that may not always be possible. What I would encourage you to do is to do my training. If you are an employer, I am suggesting in this training ways for you to support a member of staff with ME/CFS under your duty of care. At the current time, many patients that are 30% disabled and under are having to leave employment because their employer does not know how to support them. So instead of having your Disability Confident badge and feeling hyper confident that you know how to get disabled people back into the workplace, please accept and recognise that you do not know what ME/CFS is. You need to do my training and then maybe you'll be able to keep people in the workplace or offer employment to those ME/CFS patients with a mild level of severity. Please take a look at the disability scale that's attached to this video. Thank you.